Heed my words. I am Melania, Blade of Mikola.
First one doesn't count because she's gonna go right after me.
And I have never known defeat.
Yep, we'll see about that with Big Hammer.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. Get your goddamn ugly ass on.
What is happening, y'all? My name is Azaron. Welcome back to the Elden Ring video. Today, in this video, you probably are wondering, why is this man using a hammer? Like, why is this man using a big-ass hammer saying it's hammer time? Well, let's run it back. Let's run it back real quick. So, in my new game plus 5, I decided that I should switch my builds in all the different areas in Elden Ring. So, because that will be interesting, because after playing this game 5 times over and over, it gets boring.
What did he say?
No offense, I'm sorry, Bendy, but DLC what? DLC? Give the release date, please? But yeah, I decided for Mikola's Halictree to come up with a big ass hammer. So I'm like, hey, let me beat Melania with a big ass hammer because I never beat her properly. Bro, I know, I'm sorry, bro, but I know, you probably already saying, bro, this man beat the game in like 5 times already, bro. Wow, how is he not beating Melania properly? I'm gonna just say this right now, I'm a pussy. And I said it, I'm sorry. Like, bro, like, I took the game seriously at the time. Now, I'm just like, hey, let's beat the shit out of Melania with a hammer now. Let's make some jokes out of her, bro. She's weak, bro. I solo Goku. We all know that. Before we get into it, I just want to plug in my thing. So make sure you please follow Azarammer on Twitch. And that'll be amazing, you know, honestly. If you're subscribed here, might as well go follow the Twitch, you know. I stream when I'm free, usually, so make sure you go follow it. That's all I gotta say. Peace!
Might use this instead of that, but it's fine. You can try it out later, whatever. That's a nice weapon, bro. Zone out. Nice! bro.